Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Custom Minifigures Daily. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make Finn from The Rise of Skywalker. Where he's like, yeah. So, for the head, I used Rhodey's head from Captain America Civil War, when the Giant Man set in the airport battle, I think is what it's called. And then for the hair, I used the hair on Nakia from the Black Panther Royal Talon Fighter. And then for the body, I used a resistance jacket. I don't think it went to Finn, but I think it did go on some sort of resistance trooper. And then for the arms, I used the really dark brown arms. Those are or the darker arms. Those are from Dengar from the Bounty Hunter Battle Pack. And then for the hands, I used the reddish brown. Okay, and then with the hand, he has like this little blaster pistol in parts of the movies that looks more like this kind of gun blaster that I'm using than the one that they gave him in the actual thing. But then also he has a silver blaster later on, but I don't really have any of those ones. And then I had blue legs from I think they go on Captain America, another character similar to that. I've seen them on a bunch of guys. And then for the arm, I use another dark brown arm from Dengar, and then the reddish brown hand. And then that is how you make Finn from Rise of Skywalker on the back here. That's what it looks like on the back. His head is just a smiling variant. And so, yeah, there's Finn from the Rise of Skywalker. If you enjoyed the video, you can like and subscribe. But of course, you don't have to. And a spider will not be in your bed if you don't. And also, if you want to share this, you can share it with your other people. So then this can kind of spread the word a little bit. And then also, yeah, I'll see you in the next one of Custom Minifigures Daily. Make videos every single day.